HD0 goggles have some really handy features. One of them is the ability to attach an analog receiver so you can fly older quads without needing a separate set of analog goggles. However, I was having some problems with the video. As you can see, it's vertically compressed and partly duplicated and frozen at the bottom of the screen. Also, the flickering is hard to deal with. When I saw that the current update addressed the analog issues, I copied the firmware file to my SD card and completed the update process. After finishing the update, I saw an immediate difference. The video feed looks completely normal, and actually it seems to be better than my analog goggles. Here's a side-by-side comparison between my Fatshark goggles and HD0 goggles. I'm using the exact same rapid-fire receiver and Fatshark antennas for both of these video examples. I'm flying on rapid-fire mode number 1 on the receiver, which has given me the best signal on my analog goggles, so that's what I'm going to stick with on HD0 as well. As far as reliability goes, I haven't done extensive flying with HD0's latest firmware, but so far I haven't noticed any problems, and I feel like I can trust it with my analog quads. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching Ready Set Drone.